गोंयांत 16 वर्सां सकयल्या भुरग्यांच्या सोशल मिडिया वापराचेर बंदी घालपाचो सरकाराचो विचार आसा. आयटी मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन हे विशीं स्पश्ट संकेत दिल्यात. सध्या ऑस्ट्रेलियन भुरग्यांच्या सोशल मिडिया वापराचेर बंदी घाल्या. हे विशयी भुरग्यांच्यो प्रतिक्रिया पळयात.
सोशल मीडिया जरा इंस्टा असा बंद करपाक जाय.
ना व्हेरी बॅड डिसिजन, व्हेरी बॅड डिसिजन. आमकांय जाय न्हू फ्रीडम यूज करपाक, बंद करूंक जायना. सगळ्या भुरग्यांक मेळोंक जाय न्हू फ्रीडम.
आम्ही हाफ ऑफ दी असाइनमेंट्स आमचे चॅट जीपीटी, गुगल, जेमिनाय ते सुरू करता. आमचे असाइनमेंट जावचे ना.
एन्जॉयमेंट खातीर आसपाक.
In my opinion, they shouldn't completely ban it, but restrict the harmful side of it for kids below 16.
मजगती शिक्षण संस्थांचे मुखेली म्हणटात निर्णयाक येवकार.
Use of social media by children in the school is not always good. So I would definitely say, with responsibility, there should be some control.
And earlier we used to have more of activity time and less of social media time.
Yes.
So if it's possible, we are also working on it, how to reduce this media time and increase the activity time. So I think if government does take some steps like this, then it is they are most welcome to it.
So information is overload today, but that overload information is harmful.
Yes.
It has to be very well balanced, and it's very difficult for people to balance it out, and that is why the only way out is to ban.
It is actually taken because the maximum amount of cases that we have in high school right now is students getting addicted to their phones and always being on social media and on social sites.
Nowadays it's a AI generation, So again, I'm going to tell that whatever if it is increasing or decreasing, first of all it depends upon the learner has to be told what their effects and ill effects of it.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.